Nursery class, this is your English phonic lecture.
Nursery class, in phonic lecture, I will introduce you a new sound which is I sound. First, I will tell you the two letter joining. The first sound is ib. IB sound, ib. How can you write ib? Have a look. Put the pencil on this door. Go up in a slant. Touch the second line. Come back down. Separate this line. This is your small letter IE. If you have to attach B with I sound, you have to take this tail up. आपने इसकी tail को ऊपर लेके जाना है. Touch the first line, come down in a slant. Touch the third line, go up in a slant. Touch here and make a hollow form here and leave it still. IB sounds, ib. The next sound is ID sound, id. How can you join it? You have to start from the third line, go up in a slant, touch the second line, come down, round. This is, at the end you have to put the dot. I. You have to join D with I, so you have to take it up. आपने इसकी टेल को ऊपर लेके जाना है और क्या करना है, आगे की तरफ राउंड करना है. From here you have to come down and make dot D. अब आपने इसको अपना D बनाना है. Touch the first line, come down in the same way and separate this line and make it still. ID sounds it. The next joining is IG sound ig. How can you join it? Start from the third line, go up in a slant, come down, separate its line. You have to put the dot at the end, like this. अब आपने इसके साथ क्या join करना है? Jig. How can you join it? You have to take this tail up. आपने इसकी tail को ऊपर लेके जाना है और आगे की तरफ move करना है like this. और इसको अपना jig बनाना है. Come down in the same line, go up, come down in a slant, touch the fourth line, cross this and stop like this. IG sounds ig. The next sound is im. IM sound im. Same way, start from the third line, go up in a slant, come down and leave it still. My dear student, you have to put the dot at the end. अब आपने इसके साथ join करना है m. So you have to take it up. आपने इसकी tail को ऊपर लेके जाना है और अपनी small letter m की formation को write down करना है like this and leave it still. Your next sound is IX sounds X. The same pattern of IE. Go up in a slant, come down and leave it still. At the end you have to put the dot. अब आपने X थर्स लिखना है इसके साथ. How can you write? आपने इसकी टेल को ऊपर लेके जाना है, राउंड करना है, come down in a slant. यहीं से you have to take it up separate from here. यहाँ से आपने separate करना है. Come down in the same line, again round your pencil and leave. IX sounds X. Your next sound is in. IN sounds in. You know the formation of IE. You have written this already. At the end you have to put the dot. अब न आपने टेच करना है तो आपने सेपरेट ही लिखना है. इसकी टेल को यहीं से ऊपर लेके जाना है और अपनी स्मॉल लेटर एन की फॉर्मेशन को लिख के you have to make this sound. IN sounds in. Your next sound is IP sounds ip. First you have to write small letter IE. In the put the dot. अब आपने P को join करना है. आपने इसकी टेल को ऊपर लेके जाना है. Stop in the middle of the first two lines. Come down. यहाँ से आपने इसको separate करना है. Touch the fourth line. Again move on the same line. Round your pencil. Come down and leave its tail. And the last sound is IT sounds it. Go up in a slant, come down, leave it still, put the dot. अब T2 आपने join करना है. आपने इसकी tail को यहाँ से ऊपर लेके जाना है. Touch the first line and make your T2. अपने इसको अपना T2 बनाना है. In the end you have to make a line of T2. Nursery class is the two letters joining. So now we are going to write three letters joining. Three letters. So with the help of your sound. This is the first sound. IB sounds ib. IB sounds ib. If your word is bib, b-ib, bib. So how can you write bib? Start from the third line, go up, round, come down in a slant, round, up, make a hollow From here you have to write ib. Ib sound ib. You have to go up, come down. This is your I. Go up from here, round, come down. Make it solo, leave it still, and then you have to put the dot. B, ib, bib. B, ib, bib. Your next sound is nursery. Id sounds id. Id sounds id. And your word is kid. Kid. So the first sound is k. K sounds k. So we have to write k, k. Come down. So go up from here. Round your pencil and leave it. From here you have to write down I, E. And go up. Move from here and make your D, D. Go up, touch, come down and leave it still. In the end you have to put the dot. K, E, D, kid. Your next sound is IG sounds ig. IG sounds ig. And your word is wig. Wig. W sound woo. Wig. So the first letter will be woo. W sound woo. Go up, come down, again go up, come down, again go up. This is the final W. You have to join IG sound ig with that. So you have to take it up, come down in a slant, again go up, move like this. इसको आप you have to make your G, G. Go up, come down in a slant and cross this. And the end you have to put the dot. Wig, 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 wig. Your next sound is IM sounds im. IM sounds im. And if your word is dim. So how can you write dim? D sounds D. Your first letter is D, D. You have to write the formation of D, D. This is the tail of D. You have to join IE. You have to take it up. इसको ऊपर लेके जाना है. Again go up and make your M. Leave it still and put the dot. D, im, dim. D, im, dim. Your next sound is X. IX sounds X. So you have to write the word with the help of this sound. And the word is six. So X, six. Your beginning sound is S sounds. So go up in a slant, touch the second line, come down. From here come out, round and it's tail. From here you have to also come out. यहीं से आपने इसको बाहर लेके आना है and make your IE. Again go up and make your X like this. In the end you have to put that dot. So X, six. So X, six. Your next sound is IN sounds in. IN sounds in. And your word is fin. Fu in, fin. Fu in, fin. Your first letter is F sounds fu. Go up, come down, touch the fourth line. This is the sounds of F. अब आपने इस लेटर के साथ आई इन साउंड को ज्वाइन करना है. हाउ कैन यू ज्वाइन इट? फ्रॉम हियर यू हैव टू टेक इट अप, टच द सेकंड लाइन, कम डाउन एंड मेक योर आई ई. यहाँ से आपने पेंसिल को अप नहीं करना क्योंकि आप काफ़ी इसकी प्रैक्टिस कर चुके हैं. फ्रॉम हियर गो अप एंड मेक योर एन एंड लीव इट स्टिल. इन द यू पुट द डॉट. फू इन फिन. फू इन फिन. योर नेक्स्ट साउंड इज आई पी साउंड्स इप. आई पी साउंड्स इप. And your word is lip. Lip, lip. Your first beginning sound is L. L sounds L. So it's time to write L. अच्छा जी. From here you have to join IP sound ip with that. आपने इसकी टेल को ऊपर लेके जाना है. Make your IE. इसकी टेल को we have to take it up and write down your peep. And then you have to put the dot. Lip, lip. Lip, lip. And your last sound is IT sounds it. IT sounds it. If the word from it hit. Hit. H sounds h. So I have to write down A, H, go up, come down in a slant, again go up, round and make your small letter H. अब आपने इस साथ क्या ज्वाइन करना है? IT sounds. तो यहीं से you have to take it up, make your IE and then T2. In that you put the dot and make the stick of T2. Hit, 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 hit. So come and read with me. IB sounds it. ID sounds it. IG sound ig. IM sound im. IX sound x. IN sound in. IP sound ip. IT sounds it. Come and read this word with the help of these sounds. B-I-B, bib. K-I-D, kid. W-I-G, wig. D-I-M, dim. S-I-X, six. F-I-N, fin. L-I-P, lip. H-I-T, hit. My dear students, with the help of sound you can read any word, okay? So you have to practice these at home. All the very best.